What's this?
I need you to make sure to never use that vendor again.
What happened?
They kept us waiting all day and charged us 3 times what they should have.
Oh, you got it, boss.
What's that?
This is my list of vendors to never use again.
Well, since you're new, do you mind if I show you how we like to do it around here?
Sure.
All right, if you put it on our company avoid list on TruckDown, not only will that vendor disappear from all of your searches, but it'll be hidden for the rest of us too. And that will solve the problem for everybody.
Got it. Perfect.
TruckDown.com. 24/7 access to 40,000 verified heavy-duty repair vendors nationwide. TruckDown verified, vendor qualified. TruckDown.com.